You can change your Straight Talk phone number without calling customer service by using the Straight Talk website or mobile app. First, ensure your account is active with no outstanding balances. Log into your Straight Talk account on straighttalk.com or the app using your phone number, PIN, and password. Navigate to My Account, then Phone Settings, and select Change Number. You may be asked to verify via email or SMS or through the live chat feature, which now uses AI to reduce wait times. While most changes can be initiated online, some may require additional verification. When changing your Straight Talk number, keep these costs in mind. The first change within a 12-month period is typically free. Any additional changes after that cost about $10 each. Note that unlimited changes are not allowed to prevent abuse. Before starting the change, gather these important details. You'll need your account PIN for security. Have your device's IMEI number ready. This unique identifier can be found by dialing *06 or checking your phone settings. Also, prepare your billing zip code for verification. The process is straightforward. First, log into your Straight Talk account online or via the app. Then, navigate to the account settings and select the Change Number option. Choose a new available number or port in an existing one if desired. Verify your identity through the required steps. Finally, confirm the activation to complete the change. For security, Straight Talk uses multi-factor authentication to protect your account during the change process. The activation typically takes between 1 and 24 hours to complete. Remember that while you can initiate the change online, you may receive SMS or email confirmation to finalize it.